Hello students, today we will be going to discuss about logical NOT operator in Java. Logical NOT is represented in Java in exclamatory sentence as it is showing in the red color highlighted portion. So let's work with logical NOT. Now see this car. This car traveled the distance. Let d be the distance traveled by the car. Started from 0 time and t is the hour. And we know that velocity is distance by time. That is d by t. So write a program to accept from the user the distance traveled by a car in kilometer and the time in hour taken by that car to travel that distance and display the velocity of the car. To solve this program, we will use logical NOT operator in Java. At first we will write enter the distance traveled by the car in kilometer and we will write float distance. Float I am taking because the user might give you 3.5 kilometer, 5.5 kilometer like that. So hence float distance is equal to sc dot next float. Next, we have to accept the time. So system.out.print, enter the time taken by the car in hour. And here we will give float time equals to sc dot next float. We want to find the velocity of the car, so hence we are writing float velocity. Now we know that velocity is equal to distance by time, hence time we have to divide. We know that we cannot keep denominator equals to 0 because if denominator is 0, the result of the division will be undefined. Hence we have to set the condition, and we will set the condition by using logical NOT here. So we will write if, here we will give NOT time. That means if time is not equal to 0, then we will do our division, otherwise we will not do our division. So system.out.print, we require, as well as we have to write velocity. So velocity is equals to distance by time, and here we will display and one bracket I forgot. After if there should be a bracket. System.out.print velocity of the car in kilometer per hour is plus velocity. Else we will display a message that time cannot be 0, because if time is 0, so the division will be a undefined product. So time cannot be 0. So here we will write velocity we will remove, and our message we will type here time cannot be 0. Now let's run and check the program whether it is running properly or not. Void main. So enter the distance traveled by the car. Let's give suppose say 11.75. Enter the time taken by the car, suppose 5.5. The velocity is 2 km/h. Now let's give 0 and check whether our condition is working perfectly or not. So time 0. So see, time can't be 0. So in this way we can use our logical not operator in program to set decisions in a particular program. Thank you. Bye bye.